Welcome to this guided meditation, the tranquil place of rest. Just take a few moments now to get comfortable. Allow your body to find its own position of ease, maybe sitting or lying down, whatever feels most comfortable right now. And as you settle in, begin to notice where in your body there's already a sense of comfort. It might be small, perhaps the space around your eyes, or the warmth in your hands, or the gentle rhythm of your breathing. And without needing to do anything, you can allow that feeling of deep comfort to begin to spread, like gentle sunlight touching one part of the body and then softly moving to another. With every breath, the body unwinds just a little more, and your body begins to follow that sense of ease and rest. You may already know that the body moves in its own quiet rhythms. It has moments of alertness and moments that ask for rest. And right now, this moment belongs to rest. And the body knows exactly how to do this. You've done it so many times before. That natural dropping down, the slowing of the breath, the easy drift into calm. Allow the rhythm of your breath to become like gentle waves on a still shore, in and out, softly flowing. And as the body softens, you might imagine a place of quiet and tranquil rest. Perhaps it's a quiet garden in the early morning, mist resting on the leaves, a single bird calling far away. Or maybe it's a still lake, the air cool and fresh, the surface reflecting a soft sky. Whatever comes to mind is perfectly right for you. Feel yourself there now. Notice the light, how it moves and shimmers. Notice the air, how calm it feels against the skin. Every sound in this place belongs. Every breath carries peace. And as you rest in this place, a sense of well-being begins to gather. Perhaps a warmth in the chest, or a glow behind the eyes. A quiet pulse of life reminding you how good it feels to rest deeply. That ease that flows through you now, down through the shoulders, through the arms and hands, spreading through the spine and hips, reaching the legs, the feet, and right to the soles of the toes. Every cell in your body seems to sigh in gratitude. Your muscles soften, the nerves unwind, and the heart beats in a smooth and steady rhythm. And as though a gentle current of light is washing through your body, cleansing, balancing, restoring, a current of pure rest. And while that happens all by itself, your unconscious mind can quietly do what it knows best: repair, replenish, and renew. And somewhere inside your body is remembering this place, so that at any time you can return here easily with just a few breaths. Just the thought of calm light or quiet air, and the same deep peace will begin again. Each time you rest like this, the body learns even more deeply how to restore itself. And you may find that throughout your days, there are small moments when you feel that same ease in the hands, in the breath, in the heart, as if a quiet current of peace is still flowing within you. And now, slowly and gently begin to notice the surface supporting you, the sounds around you, and the weight of your body resting here in this tranquil place. Take a deeper breath in and let it go. You can bring with you all the calm, all the balance, all the quiet strength of this tranquil place into your daily life. And when you're ready in your own time, you can begin to move your body gently and open your eyes, feeling refreshed, present, and quietly awake and ready to move forward with the rest of your day. Thank you for being here. You're most welcome to join me tomorrow for another tranquil moment of rest.